Ximple ERP helps wholesale distributors grow business, improve margins, and compete with digital behemoths such as Amazon and other technology competitors, making their way into the wholesale distribution business. ERP trends in wholesale distributors. COVID pandemic has accelerated digitization and digital transformation plans for many wholesale distributors. Wholesale distributors have suddenly understood that technology can improve efficiencies and reduce inventory and profitability. Wholesale distributors have started looking at technology as a revenue driver rather than a cost element. ERP system is the backbone of any technology initiative in the company. ERP software will drive a shift in the technology adoption mindset of the companies. Global trends of ERP software market. ERP market is expected to grow from 15% to 20% per year, according to the market research firm Valuates reports. Technology adoption, efficiency improvement, and cloud and mobility are significant factors impacting the rise in demand. 1. Cloud ERP. Cloud ERP offers advanced security, data redundancy, flexible payment plans, and advanced features in their ERP applications. 2. ERP integration with advanced technologies. Cloud computing enables ERP vendors to quickly integrate advanced technologies like the Internet of Things and blockchain. 3. Industry-specific ERP solutions. Generic ERPs and cloud adoption drove the teen years of the 21st century. Now that the cloud has matured, ERPs that provide niche, industry-specific solutions will be the future. 4. ERP software trends leading, digital transformation. It will change the way distributors use technology. 5. Mobility, voice, bots, collaboration. ERP on the go, and ERP everywhere, will be the new trend. Mobility will enable both data entry and information access. Voice will be another related trend. Already, CEOs integrate their ERP with Alexa and get the latest production numbers at their table, by asking a simple question to Alexa or Siri. Robotic Process Automation is integrated with ERP, to create chatbots that can help stakeholders quickly and accurately get their clarifications. Intelligent ERPs that uses AI and machine learning for advanced analytics. Conclusion. Over the last 10 years, many new technologies have come out of the labs and have become wholesale distribution industry ready. It includes artificial intelligence, machine learning, industrial IoT, robotics process automation, blockchain, and cloud computing. These technologies offer value propositions that customers cannot ignore anymore. Organizations are designing their digital transformation strategies to provide the technology roadmap for the future. Technology is scalable, mobility is real, and both help increase revenue, reduce costs, and improve efficiencies. Digital transformation has moved from an esoteric concept to a driver of business value. The global cloud computing market is poised to double in the next 5 years. ERP software trends, the backbone of digital transformation, will benefit as companies look at initiating the transformation process. We specialize in custom-designed ERP systems for wholesale distribution operations. We have been particularly successful with companies in the electrical, plumbing, industrial, HVAC, electronic, fasteners, wine and liquor, and consumer packaged goods wholesale distribution industry. They are concerned about the costs associated with inaccurate inventory counts, unhappy with frequent paperwork, bottlenecks that slow down the fulfillment process, need for omni-channel user experience, or disappointed by the amount of time it takes to reconcile purchasing, invoicing, shipping records. We've been able to offer an ERP solution that helps our customers save time, attention, and money. It's scalable, reliable, and mobile-first cloud software. It has out-of-box ERP customization and integration options through APIs/microservices. We offer the fastest ERP implementation and payback in the industry. Average implementation is done in less than 90 days. ROI in less than 9 months. Above all, it's supported by wholesale distribution industry experts. We offer a competitive edge to wholesale distributors, and our solution does more and costs less. It's that simple.